today's video, I'll show you how to connect Google Forms to N8N in just a few steps. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more automation tips. First, connect your Google Form to a Google Sheet. This ensures every response is automatically saved as a new row in the sheet. Next, head over to N8N and use the Google Sheets trigger node. This node monitors your sheet and kicks off a workflow whenever a new entry is added. Make sure you authenticate N8N with your Google account so it has permission to access your sheet. Once that's done, you can design any workflow you like. Send emails, update your CRM, post notifications, or even run analysis on the data. And that's it. With Google Forms linked to Google Sheets and connected through N8N, you can automate tasks instantly and keep your workflows running smoothly. Thanks for watching and happy automating.